Hello guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's the Wednesday, April the 26th, 2023, and I've already solved three puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary, and it's time for the Tectonic. By the way, tomorrow it's King's Day. We have no newspaper, so I will solve the rest of this additional, the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, and the Tectonic with 1 star. Alright, but first let me start with the Tectonic with 4 stars. This will be number 6343. And before I start, I always count up printed digits. Well, I've told you this one has 10 printed digits. Should be a hard one because Tectonics with 8, 9, or 10 printed digits are not easy to solve. Yeah. It's indicated, of course, with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Yeah. 30 minutes or more. We'll see if this is really a 4 star, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box, or the boxes? Single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Do we have here in this puzzle dual boxes? Let me check. Dual boxes, no dual boxes. Do we have triple boxes? I see here triple box, there triple box, and here triple box. 3 triple boxes. Well, this box can be a 1, so 1 could be here, could be there, and the other 2 numbers, the 2 and the 3, could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box, the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. Well, it can't be a 5 anymore because we have a 5 in the same area, so this box should be a 4. Okay, same for this triple box. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. And the other 2 numbers, the 1 and 2, could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the inside box, the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. Okay. Here another, and there another. Oh, 4. We have 4 of those. Alright. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. And I've told you the inside box of a triple box is always 4 or a 5. Okay. Here another one. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. And the other 2 numbers, the 1 and 3, could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the inside box near the middle box is always 4 or 5. So now we have a pair. Alright. Okay, we have a pair here. Next, the quarter boxes. Do we have quarter boxes in this puzzle? Let me check. For quarter box, I only see 1 here. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, this box can be a 2. Well, the 2 should be in one of these 3 boxes. Well, the other numbers could be everywhere. I need to wait. Alright. Next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, let me see. How about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember upside down here, this T shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 then. Yeah, we have a 1. Alright. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2. 1 or a 2. But we already have a 1 here in the same area. So this box should be a 2 then. It's connected with that box, should be a 2. 1 box left in this triple box for number 1. Okay, so this box That's the same number as that box. Alright. The T shape. Here, another T shape, but rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 5 then. And that box has the same number as this box. Alright. T shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. Alright, it's a 3. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, here, rotated. This box has this. Oh wait, this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4 or a 5. Alright, do we have more? No. Oh, overlook this T shape. We have another T shape, the third T shape. Yeah. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Okay, overlooked. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. Alright, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, here another one, but mirrored. So this box has the same number as that box. Here. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Yeah. We have here only 3 out of 6. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions, whatever you name it, that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 1, can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. Then let me see. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Here we have a pair 4 and a 5, so the other pair should be the 1 and a 3. Okay, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, so 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3, okay. Alright. Here, 2 numbers left in the T-shaped area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, and this box is connected with that box, so we have 4 or 5. Alright. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this T-shaped area should be there. This box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this T-shaped area should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. So 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Alright. Then, let me see. This box can be a 1. This box can be a 2. So 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So now we have a pair left. The 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. Let me mark those. Alright. Well. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 3 could be here. Could be there in this quadra box here. Let me think. Yeah. Yeah. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, this box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, need more information. I think this box should be a 2 because can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 3 and 5, 3 and 5. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 3 and 5. Alright. Okay. Let me see. One. Yeah. Think. Need to think. 4 to 5. Okay. 1, 3. Come on. This is taking too long. 1, 4, 5. Ay. Need to think. Need to think hard. Where is the opening? Where's the opening? Ay. I need a 3 and a 5 also. 3 and a 4. Well, these two boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Here can be 3. Here can be 3. This box can be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So here can be 3, but also that box can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 3 there. That means that this box can't be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. Here can be 3. So one box left for the 3 should be there. So the 1 and the 2 are left. 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. Alright. Yeah. If it's a 1, then the 1 should be here. Yeah, need to think. Well, this box can be a 2. But also that box can be a 2. So one box left for the 2 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 and the 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. This box can be a 2, that box can be a 2, so one box left for the 2, in this triple box should be there, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there, one box left in this triple box for number 3. Alright, I think this box should be 2, because can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 2. These two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. One box left in this area for number 1. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box will be a 1, and I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4. Can it be 4? So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there in this T-shaped area. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 5. 4 and the 5. Oh, wait. 4 and the 5 in this area. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 should be here then. The 1 and the 2, okay. 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3, okay. Well, these two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 and the 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 and the 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1. In this quarter box should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area from this 1 and the 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 2 and the 4. Cannot fill this yet. These two boxes can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. This box can also not, cannot be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. Same for here. Cannot place a 2 here because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. 1 box left in this area for the 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. Well, I cannot place the 4 there because we have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So the 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. Alright, I think this box should be a 1 because can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. These two boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this W area shape for number 4. These are 3 boxes surround the 2, can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here. Cannot be here because we already have a 3 here. So the only place left with a 3 in this area should be there. And this box is connected with that box. So we also a 3. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Alright. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 5 and a 1. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. Final number in this area for the number 4. Finish in 17 minutes. Wow! Wow, I thought it was a tough one. But not the 4 stars, not the 3 stars. Again, it's a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1 star. But I'm faster than 20 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, so you do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow on King's Day, and I will solve these 3 missing Sudokus in the additional. Yeah, I will continue with this additional for tomorrow. Alright, thank you again, and have a great and fantastic Wednesday. See you then. Bye bye for now.